Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a Python program to generate a list of all perfect squares from 1 to n. Okay, so we will take an input n, capital N equal to int, input, enter n here. Okay, so here I will take an empty list, list1 equal to empty, and I will take a for loop from 1 to n. Okay, and I will append like you take the for loop for I in range from 1 to n. Okay, and I will append I square in this list one. Okay, so for I in range 1 to, you are going to 1 to n, so you have to take here n plus 1. Okay, because the for loop takes this number less than 1. Okay, sorry, minus 1. So here we will append I square in list 1. So list 1 dot append I square. Okay, and here I will print our list 1. So let's run the code. Take list 1, take n equal to 4, enter. So 1 4 9 and 16 means 1 2 3 4. 1 2 2 square 4, 3 square 9, and 4 square 16. Let's run the code again. Like you take 8. So 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 and 64. The square of 8 is 64 and the square of 1 is 1. Okay, I hope you understand the question. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.